It's a race. I have my friend Jim behind us trying to catch up and he can't. He's been following us for a while. I think he's cheating. I think he turned his engine on. I have managed to stop the boat. Look at this. Sail is loose, we're heaving too. The sail is all the way out. Look at this. Look how long the line is. All the way holding that sail. Time to go sailing again. It's a beautiful day. Not much wind, which is perfect, but the wind's gonna come up later. In a couple of hours will be nice wind. But I'm sure there's wind out in the bay. Just waiting for my dad. That's the proper way to get on a boat. I always tell him, always grab onto something. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, send it. Okay?
Which one should I do first?
Whatever it is. Whatever it is. It doesn't matter. Wait, the wind. Yeah, the wind is pushing back, so just release this one, throw it on the dock here. So it's easy to grab later on, and the other one just throw it over the dock.
Okay. With the captain today. He's yelled at me a couple of times. Pull here, tighten this, stretch this. You're doing it wrong. Get the stick, put the stick away, grab the rope. I think somebody's going to go overboard today. But on that note, we have a beautiful addition. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my goodness. Look at her. I'm so proud. Very cool. Grumpy captain on starboard. Happy second mate on port side. I think I scare the second mate when I steer. Beautiful sails. Nice and tight.
Doing 5 knots, not too bad. Doing an average of 4.9 to 5 knots. On a closed all course.
Go
go. Yep. Smashing into the waves. I will have to go there one day, but I'm gonna go when there's nobody there during the week. Too many boats today. I'm just not comfortable going in there with my sailboat, even though I could drop the sails and then just use the engine to get near, but I'd rather not do it. Not on the weekend when there's too many boats. Adam, you wanna go for a swim? Why? So? Where am I gonna drop you off? You just jump and then I'll turn around and pick you up. Somebody's getting sick. It's very windy now, as you can see the white caps on the waves. They're picking up, so we are heading back just under the head sail. And over there, that boat is my favorite boat. That's a Catalina 42 MK2. That's my dream boat right there. They are in the same marina as I am. Yeah, it's very windy. Look at the flag. Look at the flag. Yeah, the police helicopter. I wonder why it's flying here. But look at the Catalina. Look how nice it's going. Look at that. Look at that. Man, that thing sails beautifully. Look at that. We got some splashing.